Hi guys, I'm Yashasvi. Today I'm going to do a project in Javascript. The name of the project is Guess a Number, and we are going to do it in Replit. I personally use VS Code, but the prompt option is not working due to the Node.js app in my computer. So I started using Replit. Replit is a good app, and you can just go to Google Chrome and any browser, and you can search replit.com, log in, and create your profile, and you will get Replit. You can start doing the projects. Um, we will do it in the computer screen. So now let's get started. Hi guys, I'm Yashasvi. Today I'm going to
Hi,
do a
I'm
project in
Yashasvi.
Javascript.
Now
The
we
name
will
of the
start the
project is
Javascript.
Guess a Number, and we are going to do it in
So
Replit. I
first we are
personally
going
use
to go
VS
down
Code,
and go to the
but the prompt option is
let's
not
go to the
working due to the Node.js
Javascript.
app in my computer.
Now
So I
I'll give
started
you the
using Replit.
repl.com
Replit is a good app, and you can just go to
and after
Google
that
Chrome and
just scroll down
any
and
browser,
find
and you can search
the
replit.com,
repl
log in,
so that
and
you have to
create your profile, and you will get Replit. You can start doing the projects.
and
Um, we
now you can go to
will
the
do it in
files
the
and you
computer
will just
screen. So now let's get
let me
started.
create a new repl. So I'll choose Node.js for this video and let me give this to JS underscore tutorial. Tut, that's it. Okay. So I created my repl and so now let's start typing the code. So I think the guessed number should be in let's give around like 100 chances for the player and the player gets 100 chances and as the chances decreases the point score will create a score, okay, and that also decreases. So for now let's first start with console.log. Okay, let me first create a comment saying that this is my this project name, that is guess the number. This is a simple project, guys. I'll give you the source code in the description, you can just check it out. And let me take console.log and I'll type the same so that it gets printed, so that it gets printed in the console. That is over here, you can see this is the place where it gets printed. So see guys, okay. Now semicolon is compulsory. Yeah, it doesn't show any error, obviously, like here, but it's good to keep a semicolon, okay. Now after console.log, let's even type the roles like console.log. Now I'll just pause the video and type the rules and then I'll show you so that I don't want the video to get lagged, okay. Okay, guys. Now I've just wrote these all rules of the game. You might be thinking it's so big, but you can just check it out how it looks. It looks in nice arranged order. Yeah, you will be thinking how this is in very clumsy order, how it came linely. I have used this backslash n, which actually creates a new line. That is, this after this I have wrote backslash n that creates a new line over here. So therefore, you get in a nice, well arranged order. You can just check it out. And now, without wasting time, let's start. Okay, now let's create a variable named let input. Let input. That's it. Let's leave it like this. I'm not going to type any other thing. Let chances is equal to 0. Yeah, you will be thinking there are 100 chances, but let's leave it as we are going to put it in the while loop. And what we have done is creating a variable input. You'll be thinking why I'm wasting time by writing these comments, but it is very important as the others who see this should understand what I'm doing. Creating a variable called chances. Okay, that's it. Just copy paste. Okay, now after doing this all, let's now create a while loop. And also let's create a variable named as num. Let num. Okay. Um, let's say that a JavaScript itself should generate a random number. So for that, I'll use I think mat.random. Mat.random. This is a function into 100. This is another. First, what I can do is that, yeah, obviously I'll write a comment saying creating a variable called num. Creating a variable num. Yeah. Um, I'll just do console dot log this num so that I want to just check out does it work or not. Yeah, yeah, it's working actually, but it's creating a floating number. Yeah, what I'll do is that mat dot floor. Okay, floor parenthesis over here parenthesis. That's it. Now let's check it out. Got it. 58. 58, 96. Yeah, it only generates till 100 as I have multiplied it with 100 only. So don't worry, it generates. Now for now I'll just comment it out so that it can be used in later. Okay, now let's create a while loop. While num is not equal to, sorry, while input is not equal to num. Yeah, both are same, which I wrote even first, but I feel that the input, it should be in a order. I haven't specific order, so both are same. Let's increment the chances plus plus. Okay, and I'll create so brackets. It's a comment incrementation. Okay, incrementation. What is this? Yeah, incrementation. That's it. Now, after this, we'll take say input is equal to prompt. Yeah, due to this reason only I started using this replet, right? Yeah, prompt. Enter the numbers between only 1 to 100. 1 to 100. That's it. So the comment is prompting the user. That's it. After this, my console is occupying a lot of space. I'll just remove this. Yeah. After this, when input is not equal to num, so we'll start writing an else statement. If input is okay, so that let's think of what can be there. So first, when input is not is less than the num, when it is more than the num, and when it is equal to num, and I think so there are chances that even the user can write more than 100 less than 0. So I'll write when input is less than 0, sorry, less than 0. You're thinking why did I wrote this first instead of last? Because I think because first when we write that input is less than num, or num is less than the input, then first that gets executed and this one gets executed later. So this never gets executed, and as that gets first executed, there is a it's impossible that uh, it's possible, I'm sorry, it's possible that a user can write more than 100 less than 0, and it just leaves it blank. It doesn't give any text over there. Okay, now without wasting time, let's write. I was just wasting a lot of time. Console.log uh, invalid, please enter numbers between 1. Okay, so let me be 0 to 100. 0 to 100, guys, not as I have wrote the chances as 0, and they asked him to write 1. Is it possible? No, right? Okay. Okay, now what is this? The comment is when the user input is less than 0, or if 0 is greater than input, both are same, right? Okay, else if input is greater than 100. Yeah, this also can be one of the thing, right? So console dot log invalid. I'll just copy the statement. Control C, Control V, copy paste. That's it. And now um, I'll just copy the same comment. I'll paste it over here. When input is more than 100. Okay, this is over. And now else if input is greater than, sorry, greater than, input is greater than, sorry, num. Okay, in this case we had to console dot log you have entered uh, you have entered greater number than the javascript's number. This can be okay. Yeah, yeah, see, I forgot to write semicolons over here. My habit is to write semicolons as it is important to do that. And the comment is when the user's input is greater than greater than the random number. Okay, I'm just thinking of removing this string and writing a template literal, right? You know why? I am thinking to even print the user's number in this console log. So let's do that. Your number, you can use dollar curly braces in both sides. Okay, inside this you write input. Okay, input your number is is 1 second, guys. I'll return in a second. Okay, sorry for the disturbance, guys. Yeah, where are we? Your number, that is input. That if example I have entered the number 98, then your number 98 greater greater than. So even we'll here console.log the num, that is JavaScript's number. Um, that no, okay. Then the user can also understand. Oh, greater than the number. If I have entered that number, then what is the need to do while loop, right? I was just okay. Leave about it. Now, What I'm going to do is that I'll just copy the same thing down. All shift down arrow. This is the shortcut of doing that. Okay, and for this, we'll just change a few things. If the num is greater than if the num is greater than our input, and your is less than, okay, is less than when the user's input is less than our random number. Okay, that's it. Till here we have completed successfully, and let's check out our code is working properly or not. Let's enter a number. 58 is less than, okay. 68, okay. 78, 88? What happened? 98? Oh, okay, it's greater. So it's between 88 and, so let me type it as 90. 90 is less, okay. 95? 95 is greater. So 94, 94 is greater than 93. Okay, so 93 is also greater than 92. Okay, so 92 was the action number, but you might be thinking why I did not print a number. This was because we did not wrote any code. What happens if you print a number? So now we can do, we can create a else statement. Yeah, I forgot to actually check out that our code is working properly about these two codes which you wrote over here. Let me write something 788 invalid. Minus minus 90, okay, 98, 99. Okay, it's not working. That's okay. Now let me just create a else statement. This is our last statement. Else console dot log, the same template it tells uh, you are successful, successful. uh, Let me just use the backslash n and type uh, users input and computers input. Okay, so users input will be dollar, dollar in which input, and backslash in the again dollar back, the curly braces and num. Okay, so here computers, computers input, sorry, computers number. Okay, um just this users one, let's take it out. And we have, you have forgot, I think so, we have even printed over here chances is equal to 0, and the chances incrementation. Yeah, we have to even console that. Backslash n, your score is, so again the dollar, your score is 100 minus, here you write parenthesis chances. Okay, why have 100 minus chances? Because when our input is not the total is 100, when our input is not equal to num, so chances increments, that is if it is 0 it will become 1. Now if in the first one itself if you got that, then it will be 99. Okay, so therefore it will be 1, so you'll get the score as 99. In this way we'll get the score. Now let's see our code is working. uh, okay, let us try. 58, 68, 78, 88, oh, 98, okay, greater, 97, 96, 96, 25. Yes, I'm successful and I got 92 as a score. Okay, so here space should come. Let's see whatever our mistakes are. Here, I'll type over here my, okay. Uh, when the input is equal to the random number. That's it. I think till here our code is done. First over here, enter. Let me type this smaller. Now let's again try to play this game. 54 is greater. 44. Oh, 34. Yes, 34 was the answer. 97. Wow, 40. Okay, so at last I'll even print my name. That is console dot log. mm, Done by Yashasvi. Yashasvi. Guys, I'm thinking of adding some more things like A user will input name. I'm thinking this you're successful is looking so basic. So I'm thinking that you're successful. Example, your name is Ram. You're successful Ram, like that. So over here, I wanted to add something. Now example, here we'll create a variable, say let name, okay, let name, and okay, so is equal to prompt, enter your name, okay, and over here, okay. So if you do this, we'll just check it out. Is it working or not? You're successful. Dollar name. Okay, now let's check it out. So first, yeah, enter your name. Okay. Enter your name. What is this? That's what I do always doing guys. The mistake. Enter your name. Now let's see. So my name is Ravi. Example Ravi. A number I'll enter 567. What will happen? Okay, invalid. Minus 12, invalid. How? I'll enter something like 12, 23, 34 is greater. Okay. 30 plus 35. 35 is greater. Okay. So it's between 30 and 35. Clearly got it. 33. Yes, I'm successful. And my score is 92. Yeah, at last I'm successful. Okay. Over here, some other mistake. That is how to put over here a colon. Mm. So successfully we have completed our project of making a number, a guess the number project. So let's see the last time is it working or not. So see, this is first console.log which we have done. The title of the game, these are the rules of the game, well organized, printed, prompting to enter the name. So let's compare both of them. Yeah, enter the name 54. Sorry, uh-oh, why did I enter 54? Okay, let me enter my name Yashasvi. Okay, enter numbers between. So first, as I entered the name, now let's see, chances plus the okay, that's okay. If statement, first let me enter input less than this. Okay, okay, something 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's invalid. Now let's enter greater than 100. Okay, yeah, it's working. Now let's enter in else if statement. If input is greater than the num, okay, I don't know about that. Whatever. So okay, it's greater. Less. I don't know. It depends on chances. So between 43 and 54, okay, 50, 50 is less. 50 is less, so it's between 50 and 54. 52. Oh, I was successful. Okay. The last else statement is printed, and my name also is printed. So thank you for watching the video, guys. That's all. So uh, printing my name. That's it. Um, this is the video of the project Guess the Number. Thank you for watching the video. And thank you again.